Hi everybody, Jeremy here from Video Editor Studio, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Timeline Proxy to get smoother playback in Davinci Resolve 17. Let's check it out. Alright, so we're in Davinci Resolve 17 right now. We're on the edit page, and in my timeline I got some 4K B-roll clip, and I've done some heavy color grading in the color page. So I've added some denoising, I've added some vignetting, there is also some tracking going on, and now it's been pretty heavy on it. And if I try to have playback, I obviously doesn't get some smooth playback. Right now it's maxing out at 5 frames per second instead of 24. So as you can see, we have quite a lot of frame that dropped. And the first thing that I could do technically to go back to having real-time playback is just here to toggle the colors and the effects. And by doing so, I'm going back to having real-time playback, because obviously there is not the colors and all the effect on top of it that I have to play as overlay, so it make it just way easier to read the timeline. But right now what I would like to do is I would like to be able to see my color grading and to see my effects still in the timeline, but having everything showing up in real time. And to do that, we're going to use timeline proxies. So it's going to be very easy. We're going to go over to playback, timeline proxy mode, and here we have half resolution and quarter resolution. We're going to start with half resolution, and basically what it does essentially is here in the viewer, before it was the 4K preview in the viewer. Now we're dropping that to 2K. So as you see, the quality is dropping, but as you're gonna see now, we're maxing out at 17 frames instead of the 5 frame originally. So it's already better, but we still have some dropped frame. So we're gonna try quarter resolution and see how it play back after that. Let's go with quarter resolution. And now if we play it again, as you can see, we're back to 24 frames per second. We don't have any frame dropped, and everything is played back smoothly. So that's basically how you use timeline proxy in order to have some real-time playback. It's very easy. I'm using it all the time. It's not affecting your timeline at all when you're gonna export. Everything gonna be exported with the original footage. It's just affecting your viewer in order for it to play in real time. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know in the comment what kind of video you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.
Improve your video and speed up your workflow by using easy-to-use drag-and-drop templates made specifically for Davinci Resolve. Check it out on our website, videoeditorstudio.com.